Some people might think why I share this because they're just only goat. For me, they are not just a goat because they are very useful. Kasi kumukuha tayo sa kanila ng mga importanteng gamit. Katulad nga na nito, kumuha kami ng milk, gawa nga na may sakit yung anak namin para gumaling yung asthma niya. Tapos, here din sa Sri Lanka, once you're having an asthma, they're using goat as a therapy. Like, some people is purchasing goats just to have them in their houses, lalo na sa may asthma na family, para daw nalalanghap yung amoy ng goat, so nagiging therapy siya, so mapapadali yung paggamot ng asthma. So ito guys, please join me. I-share ko sa inyo yung different types of goat here in Sri Lanka. We will about to go and see kung ano yung mga types of goats nila. And honestly, for me also, it's the first time to see that goats. Kasi sa Pilipinas, nakikita lang natin is mga maliliit na goat. Dito sa kanila, malaki pa sa akin yung goat. Mga 7 feet yata siya, as in, super. So, watch this guys. So, in this local farm, they have around more than 60 goats. And mostly all these breeds came from an imported bloodline, which is originally from Australia, Italy, and India. Sa totoo lang guys, first time ko nakakita ng ganito kalalaki ng mga goats. Unlike sa atin sa Pilipinas, maybe merong some, but then kakaiba lang sila. In this area, they are the milk goats. They are the one who give us today 2 liters of milk. Guys, thank you for watching. That is all today for my today's video. I do hope that we learned something, and please appreciate po natin, mapatao man siya, mapahayop, mapabagay, mapahalaman, ang nasa paligid natin kung saan tayo ay kumukuha ng mga kagamitan tulad ng pagkain, gamot, at kung ano-ano pang bagay na mahahalaga. So, thank you so much and God bless.